Welcome to my review of Email Marker, a comprehensive solution for email verification and list cleaning. This tool is ideal for marketers and businesses that want to maintain high-quality, accurate email lists. Let's start with the advantages. Email Marker allows you to validate email addresses in bulk, identifying invalid, fake, and disposable emails that can hurt your sender reputation. With this tool, you can prevent high bounce rates and improve email deliverability, which is essential for your email campaigns. One of the standout features of Email Marker is its simple, intuitive interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you'll find it easy to navigate. Now, let's talk about Clean Email, another great email management solution. Clean Email helps organize your inbox by automatically sorting and managing emails, making it easy to keep your inbox clutter-free. Follow the link in the description to explore Clean Email, the best email manager to streamline your email processes. As for limitations, Email Marker doesn't offer extensive marketing features like some other platforms. It's primarily focused on email verification, so if you're looking for an all-in-one marketing platform, you might need to explore other tools. However, for those looking for accuracy and reliability, when it comes to email verification, Email Marker excels in its field. Email Marker's pricing is flexible, offering both pay-as-you-go and subscription plans depending on your email list size and usage frequency. For smaller businesses, the pay-as-you-go option is a cost-effective choice, while larger companies can benefit from a subscription model to get more features and higher volume limits. If you're serious about email marketing and need a tool to clean and verify your lists, Email Marker should be on your radar. For better email management and inbox cleanup, check out Clean Email by following the link in the description. It's an essential tool for anyone who wants to take control of their inbox. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews and useful tips on the best tools for managing your email campaigns.